All righty. Now, the results of our voting. Our third place $2,000 winner is Runaway Bridal, sent in by Jordana Hall from Ponder, Texas. And the winner of the $10,000 in tonight's funniest home video is Remote Control Chew Toys, sent in by Lindsay Abel from Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Lindsay is here with husband Jay. Brooklyn could not join us. Oh, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
So is Brooklyn's okay, just home watching the fort?
Yeah. We'll find out.
Oh, yeah, all right. I love the story about Brooklyn and your experience with remotes. I understand that it started when he was a puppy, right?
Yes.
Why?
We gave her a remote control toy.
How stupid was that?
Yeah, we didn't know at the time.
So it was a toy version of a television remote control.
Basically.
So to Brooklyn, every remote control is a toy.
Pretty much.
Okay. All right, so you have no one to blame but yourself.
True.
Now, the funniest thing is they found from the remote the number button for channel 2 in number 2.
I didn't take a picture.
You didn't take a
No.
picture? Gee, thanks so much. But you did take a video, and that's won you $10,000, and you'll be back for our $100,000 show. Congratulations.
Thank you.